Hello and welcome back, dear subscriber. Today in this video, I am going to talk about online programming test. The similar name, unprotected programming examination or online programming examination. So you might have got mail regarding this online programming examination or test just on October 20, and this is the not new edition, that is just updated edition. So NPTEL has given, and this is exclusive for the programming courses. Most of the programming courses are going to classified based on the programming test. Also, three types of evaluation will be done: one assignment, second is programming test, and third is you have to go and write the final examination. So in like some course are exception, even programming course like an introduction to programming in C++, so there is no programming test. But for a course like programming in Java, programming in C++, problem solving through programming in C, the joy of computing using Python, so these courses have this programming test. So guys, in this video, I am going to discuss about this programming test, what types of question will be given, how much duration will be given, what will be time, what will be slot for you, and what criteria you have to meet to get the certificate. Or if you don't write this programming examination, then what will be happen? Each and every detail I will discuss in this video. And I hope my experience is definitely going to help you out a lot and guide you in the better way. I have already completed 13 NPTEL courses and secured 3 NPTEL Star certificate. So I hope I am going to give you the better experience. From that, you will definitely do the better preparation. So at first, I need your support. Still, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. So I will get your support and try to increase my community by subscribing the channel and sharing this video. Okay, guys. So coming to the duration, let me first discuss about the duration. So coming to course, the duration for this examination is going to be varies. Like programming in Java, so there is 2 hour duration. Regarding slot, I will definitely discuss, guys. So there is 2 hour for programming in C++. There is 1 hour for here you can see here the joy of computing using Python. So here duration is 1 hour. You can see here for problem solving through programming in C. So here duration is 1 hour. So it gets varied from course to course. So for this, what you have to do, how to know for your course, go to course, login, and go to the assignment session. Okay, guys. So go to your course. Okay, and then after you have to go for announcements. Announcement. Okay, and in announcement you will scroll down and check the notice of October 20. Okay, guys. So this way you can find the detail. Okay, and one more things I have to add. I have already added about provided video on the detailed syllabus of NPTEL examination for 2020. So if you want to get those video, kindly go and refer this playlist NPTEL syllabus. So this is the playlist NPTEL exam syllabus in detail with assignment score. I have explained full details about the courses, and soon I am also going to add some other courses. Already I have provided around 5 courses syllabus, and I think 2 more courses I have to provide. So all 7 courses syllabus I will provide. I have given the detailed video, guys, without skipping any detail. So I request you also go with all those video without skipping, so you will get more information. And one more notification, still if you have not registered for NPTEL examination, then NPTEL has extended the date up to November 2. You can register at 1000 rupees only. After Earlier it was mentioned like you have to pay 500 delay fee, but for new update, according to new update, up to November 2, you have to pay 1000 rupees only for a course. So regarding that, if you want to know more, then go and watch the video. Let me refresh the playlist so I can show you this video. Okay, so you can watch this video how to register NPTEL examination, and if you are doing multiple courses, then go to how to fill examination registration form to appear in NPTEL online exam. So here I have provided full detail. If you are doing multiple courses, definitely you need to go with this video, and if you are doing just one or two courses, you go with this. This will be sufficient. And even NPTEL used to provide a star certificate if you want to know information for this video, and if you want to get domain certificate, refer this video. The video length is of course the long because I have provided full information. I don't want to skip the information. So kindly try to increase the video speed and watch the full. Okay, guys. And in earlier provided syllabus, actually, I had mentioned only two criteria for programming examination also, that assignment score must be 10 and your final examination score must meet like 30 out of 75. But according to the new update, again the criteria gets changes. As I had already told that maybe NPTEL will include those later on. So already NPTEL has announced the programming test. So based on that, the criteria has been got very varied. So I will show you here. You can see you have to meet three criteria for these programming courses. So what are the criteria you have to meet, guys? So in assignment, at least you have to secure 10 score, and in the unprotected programming examination, you have to secure at least 10 score. So your unprotected programming examination weightage will be always 25 score. So for all programming courses, 25 score, there will be weightage for unprotected programming examination. Similar name I told you. The similar name is online programming test. Unprotected programming exam or online programming test is the same name. Don't get confused. So you have to secure 10 out of 25. And don't worry, guys, definitely you are going to get full out of full in this course, in this test. Okay. And final examination, now it is going to be held for 50 score. So your final examination will be 50 score. But in center, I repeat, in center you have to write 100 score, and later on they will round up to 50 score. Earlier, without programming, it was going to round up to 25, but now it is going to round up to 50 score. I hope you are now very clear with what I am speaking. Okay, and after meeting these all criteria, your score must be 40 out of 100. Okay, guys, so remaining things is the same. Here, you just one addition is in unprotected programming examination, you have to score at least 8. Earlier, when NPTEL introduced this programming test concept at the very beginning, I missed this notification, and without even participating in that, I had got certificate. You can check programming C++. Actually, I forget the schedule and I missed the examination. So my score is 0 because I missed the examination, but still I got certificate because I made the more than 40 score in online assignment and protected examination, that is center. But now this you will not get certificate if you don't meet this criteria. You have to secure at least 10 score in this programming examination also. That is unprotected programming examination. Similar. So you have to attend anyhow. If you don't attempt, you will not get the certificate. Okay, I hope I am very clear with this. And your certificate will be like this. So there will be 3 sessions. Okay. And you can see here, I had attempted programming in Java examination. So in programming test, that is unprotected programming test or online programming test, I secured 25 out of 25. So that will be easy, guys. You need not to worry. You are also going to secure. So in assignment, definitely in course like C++, programming C also, and the way of computing is in Python, and other courses. One more courses is programming in Java. Definitely, you are going to more than 24 score in the assignment if you are following my solution. Then definitely out of 50, you are going to score 48. And if you do the little bit work just in the examination, then definitely you will get 60 plus. So you will get elite certificate or elite plus, like silver or elite plus gold. So those things depend on you guys. Okay. So I have explained those things, and now coming to the criteria I have mentioned, certificate criteria, and exam date also. You go to particular course and particular session, maybe the examination on the other date. You can see here, I will show you. So for course like programming in Java, so exam is on December 12th. Okay, guys. For second course programming in C++, you can see here the exam date is December 9th. For the joy of computing using Python, the exam date is December 13th. For course of problem solving through programming in C, the exam date is December 4th. So the date of examination varies for this test, for programming test. So please for it go for the particular course and announcement session and check the notice on the notice of October 20. You will get the details. And duration also you check the same way. And there will be two session, guys. Exam will be happening two session. One is in day and other is in night. So for both session, you can go and watch the time. So day session will start from 10 and night session start from 8. In all the programming, this looks like the same date. So go and refer, and based on the duration, it may be 2 hour examination on 1 hour. And here one more thing I would like to add, you can write both of this slot. So I request you better you write both slot, and the slot you will secure the higher score will be considered towards your final score. So try to write both slots so you will get better score, and maybe your final score will get improved from this programming test examination. So I request you go and attempt both the session. And definitely there is some group is available, and in group most of the learner will show and share the score. So definitely we will also get the solution over there, and if I also get time I will provide the solution. So definitely you can do it, and 1 hour is in. And coming to question like they used to ask like 5-bit questions in one slot. So you have to solve, and those questions are two are simple, two are medium, and one is a little bit creative. So you need not to worry much about that. You don't need to stress more. You just note the date for examination and timing, and go for the examination. Be relaxed and go for the examination. So this is all about the online programming test I have explained you. And still, if you have any doubts, then feel free to ping me and ask the question. Definitely, I will be available to reply you and help you out. And already I have shown you the certificate, the exam modified criteria you have to meet for the certificate. What are the criteria? I have added with you, and I have also added how to check examination date and the slot and how you can write the examination. Each and every things I have added you, and those slot will be available in programming itself on the like assignment. Let me show you, so you will get more clarity. Let me show you. Okay, so just wait for some second. Okay, so okay, let me get back my, sorry. Okay, I have to again log in, please bear me. So I will show you previous year assignment score. Sign in again. Okay, next. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, let me check it back, no problem. So I will go for completed. Okay. Sorry, I am taking a little more time. Okay. Well, no worries. Okay, I will log in and then after we'll get back. So guys, you can see here, I am showing you. So already you can see last time I had got like this exam slot 1 and 2, you can see here. So this type of only you will get below this, and you just go with here clicking like similar to assignment, but here duration is fixed within 1 hour or 2 hour. What is the duration for your course? You have to complete within that hour, and remaining things will be the similar. There will be no changes. Okay, guys. So all the things will be same. So I hope now you have got the very clear cut where you will get those all test link and where you have to attend, what types of platform will be available. And even this is not web protected, you can write your own from your home. You have to write. You need not to go for the center or surveillance. You have to write. That's why it is also known as unprotected programming examination or online programming test. So this is all about, and I hope I have explained it very clearly these things. And guys, I need your support. Please subscribe my channel and share this video. You need not to pay anything to subscribe the channel, and you can also connect me on the various social media platform. I will attach all those links in video description. Go and connect with me. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned. Keep connected. Happy.